In the early hours of Thursday morning, an unfortunate incident unfolded in Londiani, Kericho County, as a 66-seater bus was involved in a serious accident. Swift action by emergency response teams managed to evacuate 44 individuals from the scene, preventing what could have been a tragic outcome. Londiani, already notorious for a high frequency of accidents, once again found itself at the center of an alarming incident. The region has witnessed several accidents in the past, prompting concerns about road safety and the need for comprehensive measures to address the ongoing challenges. In response to the emergency, the Kenya Red Cross activated their dedicated response teams. According to their reports, 40 casualties were promptly transported to Fort Tenan Hospital, while an additional 4 individuals requiring specialized care were referred to Kericho County Referral Hospital. The quick and coordinated response of the Red Cross undoubtedly played a crucial role in minimizing the potential impact of the accident. Despite the severity of the incident, the latest updates confirm that there have been no reported fatalities. This silver lining amidst the tragic events underscores the effectiveness of the emergency response efforts and the importance of swift intervention in such critical situations. Londiani's officer commanding Police Division OCPD Agnes Kunga provided insight into the incident's specifics. The accident unfolded at Fort Tenan, situated in the Kipkelian West constituency. The location adds to the growing list of areas in Londiani that demand increased attention regarding road safety measures. As the affected individuals receive medical attention and investigations into the cause of the accident are likely underway, this incident serves as a stark reminder of the pressing need for enhanced safety measures on the roads of Londiani and similar accident-prone regions. The successful evacuation of 44 people from the accident scene reflects the importance of a well-coordinated emergency response system in averting potential tragedies. It is hoped that this incident will prompt renewed efforts to address road safety concerns and prevent future accidents in Londiani and beyond. This is a developing story. Continue following the Kenya News Channel to get updates.